The Quartzite Countertop. 7 little known benefits. Dear friends, your countertop has served you well for years, but now, it's time for you to give her a well-deserved makeover. The question is, what countertop material is the best option? As a general rule of thumb, you can't go wrong with stone, especially quartzite, in the kitchen environment. Here's a rundown on 7 little known benefits of a quartzite countertop. Quartzite is a metamorphic rock that forms when sandstone experiences extreme pressure and heat stemming from tectonic plate compression. That 1. Durability. A major benefit of quartzite is that it is stronger than both granite and quartz. Quartzite beats these materials on the durability scale because it's formed by using processes that increase the material's strength. Quartzite is also denser and less porous than granite in particular, so it's especially in demand for anyone wanting a scalable kitchen countertop. 2. Scratch resistance. Although quartzite is often confused with quartz, the two couldn't be more different, particularly when it comes to scratch resistance. Quartzite is much more scratch resistant than quartz, which is why it is such a popular option for the kitchen environment. 3. Maintenance. The fact that quartzite countertops require less maintenance than quartz is another reason why many cooks love them. With quartzite, you don't have to worry about constantly cleaning your countertop. All you have to do is clean it after you use it or spill something on it, just as you would any other countertop surface. However, you should reseal your countertop once or twice a year, as the right seal will keep stains from penetrating the stone. 4. Etching and chipping. If you like the appearance of marble, then you'll love quartzite even more. Some quartzite countertops, specifically white ones, look a lot like marble ones, so you can hardly tell the difference between the two. At the same time, you don't have to pay the premium price you'd pay for marble. On top of this, quartzite won't etch and chip as easily as marble does. So, with quartzite, you can basically enjoy the benefits of marble without dealing with its inherent negative properties. 5. Price. Some consumers worry that quartzite may be too expensive to install in their homes. The reality, though, is that quartzite is becoming increasingly popular due in part to the fact that it offers multiple cost advantages. It's cheaper than other countertop materials, and it also doesn't require much labor when you're ready to install it. Quartzite is more available today than ever before. 6. The countertop look. Every person's tastes are different, so we can't say definitively that one countertop's appearance is superior to another's. However, quartzite is an in-demand countertop choice because it comes in such a wide range of hues, perfect for any style kitchen. In light of this, quartzite is an excellent choice if you want your kitchen countertop to have a natural stone look. 7. Heat resistance. Finally, one of the major advantages of quartzite is that it is resistant to heat and fire. A plastic resin is used to manufacture quartz. So, quartz is susceptible to melting when exposed to something that is 400 degrees Fahrenheit or more. However, this is not a problem for quartzite. For this reason, quartzite is a highly functional kitchen countertop material, one that you can enjoy for years to come. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.